So, you want to publish a book on Amazon KDP, but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Most beginners waste time picking the wrong niche or uploading books that never sell. In this video, I'll walk you through every step, from setting up your account to getting your first book published. No fluff, just the real, proven process self-publishers are using in 2025 to make their first sale. Imagine this, your book live on Amazon, selling copies worldwide, and earning you income while you sleep. Sounds crazy? It's not. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to make it real. Don't skip ahead. You'll miss key steps that could save you hours or even days. Whether you want passive income or dream of being an author, this is where it starts. Let's break it down, step by step, and get your first book live on Amazon KDP. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Amazon KDP? KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's Amazon's official platform that lets anyone self-publish books, both ebooks and paperbacks, and sell them on Amazon's global marketplace. No publishing deal, no inventory, no upfront costs. You don't need to be a writer or have a big budget. You don't even need to print anything yourself. Once your book is uploaded, Amazon handles the rest: printing, shipping, and customer service. Here's how it works. Someone buys your book. Amazon prints one copy, ships it, and you get paid. That's called print on demand. And it's a game changer for beginners. The best part? It's completely free to use. You only earn when your book sells, and the royalties can be 35% or even 70%, depending on your pricing and region. We'll cover all of that later in the upload section. Whether you're publishing a novel, a journal, a how-to guide, or even a children's book, KDP gives you the tools and the reach to get your work in front of readers worldwide. And with over 300 million active customers on Amazon, the potential exposure is massive. So yes, KDP is not only real, it's powerful. And it's still one of the best ways to start earning passive income online in 2025. Now that you know what KDP is, let's walk through how to set up your account and get your dashboard ready. Hit that subscribe button because I share everything from low-content books to full storybook strategies that generate real income. To get started, head over to kdp.amazon.com. If you already have an Amazon account, just sign in. If not, click Sign Up to create one. Pro tip: use a dedicated email for your publishing brand. It keeps everything organized. Once you're logged in, welcome to your KDP dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll upload books, monitor sales, adjust pricing, and track your royalties. But before anything else, you need to fully complete your account setup. This part is essential. Click the Account tab at the top. You'll see 3 key sections: author-publisher information. Fill in your real name or your business name if you've registered one. You haven't spent a penny. Now, let's move into what makes or breaks most beginners: choosing a profitable niche for your first book. Now comes the step that can make or break your success on KDP: choosing the right niche. Your niche determines how much competition you'll face, how easy it is to rank, and ultimately how much money your book can make. Many beginners skip this step or just publish in random categories, and then wonder why they aren't making sales. Here's the good news. You don't need to guess. Start by thinking about problems people are actively searching for. Go to Amazon's search bar and type a phrase like "how to" or "journal for." You'll see a list of popular searches autofill. That's demand. Now validate that demand by checking the bestsellers rank BSR of top books in that niche. A BSR under 300,000 usually means at least a few monthly sales. Under 100,000? That book is likely selling daily. You can also use tools like BookBolt or Publisher Rocket to dive deeper. They show competition levels, keyword trends, and more. And yes, even ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas fast. Just ask, "Give me 10 beginner-friendly niches for Amazon KDP." Pro tip: avoid saturated, low-value niches like blank journals, unless you have a unique angle. Those spaces are flooded and often require hundreds of uploads to see returns. Instead, think creatively. Combine niches. For example, instead of just a gratitude journal, try gratitude journal for teen athletes. The more specific your niche, the better your chances of ranking and standing out. Also, think about what you're interested in or already know. Are you a parent, a teacher, into wellness or business? Use your own experience. It'll help you create more authentic content and know what your audience actually needs. But don't get stuck in research mode forever. Once you find a niche with demand and manageable competition, take action. Pick one idea, validate it with BSRs and keywords, and move forward. Because the truth is, no book makes money sitting in your head. It has to be published. So to recap, use Amazon's search bar for demand. Validate with BSRs and tools like BookBolt. Avoid overly generic niches. Combine ideas for uniqueness. Play to your strengths and experiences. Once you've locked in your niche, you're ready for the next major step, creating your book from scratch. Your book cover is the first impression, and often the deciding factor in whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Even with amazing content, a bad cover can kill your sales instantly. So let's break down exactly how to create a professional, eye-catching KDP book cover, even if you're not a designer. Step 1. Know your trim size. Start by confirming your book's trim size and page count. The most popular is 6 by 9 inches. If your book is over about 100 pages, it'll have a spine, which means your cover needs to include a front, spine, and back. Use Amazon's free KDP cover calculator to get the exact dimensions for your design. Step 2. Choose a design tool. Use a tool that's beginner-friendly. Canva, free plus KDP cover templates available. BookBolt Studio, built-in sizing and niche-specific layouts. Adobe Express for a polished look. If you use Canva, search for KDP book cover 6 by 9 and select a template. Then, upload your trim guide from Amazon to align elements perfectly. Step 3. Design for clicks, not just looks. Your cover needs to be visually clear at small sizes. Remember, people browse on their phones. Use bold, readable fonts. Show the title and author name clearly. Avoid clutter. Simplicity sells better. Match the vibe of your niche. A kid's activity book and a business guide should look totally different. Avoid common mistakes like blurry images, low contrast colors, and too much text crammed in. One strong visual is better than 5 weak ones. Step 4. Export correctly. Always export your cover as a high-resolution PDF, not PNG or JPEG. Double-check that it matches the size KDP requires for your specific trim and page count. Before uploading, preview your cover in KDP's Previewer tool to catch any alignment or margin issues. Now that your manuscript and cover are ready, it's time to publish your book. Here's a step-by-step walkthrough of the entire KDP upload process. Every field explained so you don't make beginner mistakes. Head back to your KDP dashboard and click Create, Paperback, or ebook if you're publishing that format. Step 1. Book details, book title and subtitle. Enter your full book title and subtitle. Make sure they match your cover exactly, or Amazon may flag it. Series info, optional. If your book is part of a series, enter the name and volume number. Otherwise, skip it. Edition number. Leave it blank unless this is a second edition or update. Author name. Use your name or pen name. It should match your cover too. Contributors. Add co-authors, illustrators, editors, etc., if applicable. Description. This is where you sell the book. Write for readers, not just algorithms. Use bold, benefit-driven language. You can format it with basic HTML, like for line breaks or for bold. Tip. Open with a hook, then list what readers will get or learn. Publishing rights select. I own the copyright and hold necessary publishing rights. Keywords. Enter up to 7 keyword phrases. Use what people are searching for. Think. Gratitude journal for teens, low-content book for anxiety, budget planner for moms. Avoid single generic words. Make them niche-specific. Categories. Choose 2 categories that match your book's theme. You can also contact Amazon support later to add more categories, up to 10. Adult content. Mark no unless your book contains explicit content. Click Save and Continue. Step 2. Manuscript and cover upload. Print options. Stick with black and white interior with white paper default. Trim size should match your manuscript, usually 6 by 9 inches. Bleed settings. For most low-content books, choose no bleed unless artwork extends to the edges. Paperback cover. Finish glossy or matte, totally your choice. Glossy is popular for kids' books. Matte is great for journals and planners. Manuscript upload. Upload your print-ready PDF. Wait for it to process. Cover upload. Upload your full cover PDF. Choose upload a cover you already have, not the cover creator. Preview book. This is critical. Launch the previewer and scan every page. Check margins, alignment, fonts, and bleed lines. If everything looks good, click Approve. Step 3. Pricing and Royalties Marketplace. Select Amazon.com as your primary marketplace. You can also publish in others like UK, CA, etc. Pricing. Set your price based on your niche. Most low-content books sell between $6.99 to $9.99. Make sure you're profitable after printing costs, shown below pricing field. Royalty option. Choose 60% royalty, standard for paperbacks. Amazon deducts printing cost before applying royalty rate. Expanded distribution optional. This lets other retailers sell your book too. You'll earn slightly less, but gain reach. For beginner books, you can leave this off until you gain traction. Final step. Publish. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish your paperback book. It usually takes up to 72 hours for Amazon to review and make your book live, though it often goes live within 24. Check your email for updates and monitor your bookshelf tab to track status. Congratulations, you've just published your first book on Amazon KDP. Next, I'll share key final tips and what to avoid so you don't sabotage your own results. Alright, your book is live on Amazon KDP, but don't stop here. This is where most beginners either grow or stall out. Let me give you the top mistakes to avoid and the smart moves to make next. What to avoid? Spamming. Low-quality books. Don't upload 50 generic notebooks and hope for passive income. That doesn't work in 2025. Amazon is cracking down on spammy uploads and AI-generated junk. Focus on quality. Ignoring your niche. If you don't understand your audience, your book won't sell, even if it looks good. Keep asking, who is this for? What problems does it solve? No marketing. Amazon is powerful, but it's also crowded. If you publish and pray, your book will get buried. Promotion matters. What to do instead. Build one quality. Book first. Make it great. Add value. Get reviews. Then scale. Use free promotion platforms. Promote your book on Pinterest. Great for journals, planners. Quora. Answer questions with your niche insights. YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Show off the book or how to use it. Facebook groups in your topic area. Track and tweak. Check your KDP dashboard weekly. Are you getting views but no sales? Tweak your cover or keywords. Small changes equals big differences. Plan your next book smartly. Once you get momentum, create another book in the same niche. Series sell better and let you dominate keywords faster. And if you're ready to create a powerful low-content book like a coloring book or activity book, I've got a full tutorial linked in the pinned comment. It'll show you how to design, structure, and publish those too. Now let's wrap this up in the final section. Now you've seen exactly how to publish a book on Amazon KDP, step by step, in 2025. From setting up your account, finding the right niche, creating your manuscript and cover, to uploading your book and going live. You've got the full roadmap. And the best part? You can do it all with zero upfront cost. Remember, the first book is the hardest, but once it's done, you've proven to yourself that it's possible. The next ones? They get easier, faster, and better. Don't overthink. Don't wait for perfect. Just take action. Whether your goal is passive income, building a brand, or finally becoming a published author, it starts with that first book. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe to The Silent Publisher for more tutorials, KDP strategies, and publishing tips. Check the pinned comment below for my favorite niche research tools, free interior templates, and the next tutorial you should watch. And as always, drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. Now go publish that book. I'll see you in the next video. Now you've seen exactly how to publish a book on Amazon KDP, step by step, in 2025. From setting up your account, finding the right niche, creating your manuscript and cover, to uploading your book and going live, you've got the full roadmap. And the best part? You can do it all with zero upfront cost. Remember, the first book is the hardest, but once it's done, you've proven to yourself that it's possible. The next ones, they get easier, faster, and better. Don't overthink. Don't wait for perfect. Just take action. Whether your goal is passive income, building a brand, or finally becoming a published author, it starts with that first book. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe to The Silent Publisher for more tutorials, KDP strategies, and publishing tips. Check the pinned comment below for my favorite niche research tools, free interior templates, and the next tutorial you should watch. And as always, drop your questions in the comments. I read every single one. Now go publish that book. I'll see you in the next video.